So this morning I decide to boy me go clean up the base. Nobody not interested in your struggles. So not tell nobody. Mark you. They're not interested in your winnings either. They just have to give a little bit of the word, you know? You know, I'm not even use no water. No, because the day before me the carry guy car wash. I want to tell you say, it not even make no sense you wash no car. Because rain fall every day. Here she purr. What the VW stand for? Very well. Five then decide so them have to pass through. And have to do what them have to do, you know. And remember, if you're anywhere in Florida, remember the 27th of October, we are there Lauderhill Performing Arts Center with 4 bull and a party. And we are there Orlando, you know. Peace out to all of the people them in Orlando, you know. You know, say boy they get the hurricane what the Milton. So 3rd of November, we are there at Papka High School as well. So bless up on yourself, man. You don't know.